Hi, fourth grade. Mrs. Snell and I are here. Say hi, Mrs. Snell, to talk to you about mixtures. And if you remember, a mixture is a combination of two or more substances. And in our combination of two or more substances, they can be easily separated. So here's an example of some mixtures that I found. I'm sorry, that you found. Sorry, that Mrs. Snail found at our house. So one is our trail mix. Okay, now I'm going to bring it up closer so you can see. No, you can't have any right now. So you can see our trail mix. Okay, so here's our trail mix. So what are the different substances in our trail mix? Who can tell me? Snail, stop it. So who can tell me? Do you know the different substances in here, Mrs. Snail? Let's see if everybody else knew what you knew. So we had some raisins, we had some peanuts, we have some M&Ms. So we have, and we also, you can't see them, but we have very little, like small little sunflower seeds. So those are our different combinations right in here, right, Mrs. Snail? And one of the ways that they can be easily separated, you can pick them out. Okay, if I had tweezers with me, I could use the tweezers and take them out in that way, and you could separate them. So that was one. Okay, and then we have a different mixture. Right here, we have this, our carrots and peas. Now, this isn't a hard one to say what the mixture is made of. What is our mixture made of there, Mrs. Snell? You're not talking. Why? You want those off? Okay, well then I told you not to put them on. There you go. All right. Anyway, so our mixture in here is a combination of carrots and peas. Again, if someone makes carrots and pea mixture for you and say you don't like the carrots or you don't like the peas, Mrs. Snail does not like peas, okay, then she could just use a spoon and spoon them on out, right? You could use something to get them on out. And that's how they're combined. But when you combine them, they maintain their properties. And the carrot stays a carrot, and peas stay peas, and they're just combined. Okay, but they maintain their own properties. They stay being a pea or a carrot. All right. Let's see what else we have in here. Oh, look what Mrs. Snail has, as we had these out for our decorations. We have many different types of eggs. Okay, so that's another mixture. Okay, and when we put all of these together in the basket, they stay their same egg. This is still a golden egg. This is still an orange egg. They're still eggs, aren't they, Mrs. Snail? They are. They're still eggs. Okay, this one didn't become an orange egg because we put it next to the orange egg. It maintained its properties. We also have some cereal. We have some cereal. Now, I'll take them out and you can look at the cereal. Okay, so you can look at the cereal. I'm going to bring it up closer. Here, you can have two. There you go. All right. Share with your friend. Okay. All right. So right here, we have some, I'm just dropping them everywhere. We have some different kinds of crunch berries. Okay, we have some different kinds of crunch berries. They're still all crunch berries, okay, and they maintain their same properties. Okay, the pink one, there's a pink one and the blue one. And the pink and the blue stay pink and blue, even though we mix them together. They're maintaining their same properties. Okay, I know, we're doing those ones next. Don't worry. Okay, so we also have our seashells. Okay, this is when we went to the beach, right, Mrs. Snail? These are seashells from the beach when we went there, okay? So when we went to the beach, Mrs. Snail and I and my children, we gathered all types of seashells. And then we would put them all together. And again, this is a mixture. It's combining two or more items. So there's different kinds of seashells. We have like these kinds, we have these. Okay, we put them all together and they still maintain their same property. And we can take them apart. We can put them back together. All right. Let's see. And we have your favorite one. Is everybody ready? Yes, it's yours. If you remember from earlier this year, it's Mrs. Snail's random bucket of stuff. All right. Yes, she's very excited with her random bucket of stuff. And one thing about her random bucket of stuff, let's see. One thing about it is you can separate, hold on, I know. You can separate all these items. And there's too many to list. I'm going to bring them over and you can see them in case you forget what they look like. But if you remember her random bucket of stuff, it's totally random. I'm going to take these out. But here's her random bucket of stuff. There is a lot of items in here. When we talk about separating, you can pick things out. You can use tweezers. You can use a filter. If you have water, okay, you could definitely use a filter and filter something out that way. If you have salt and water, you can use evaporation for the separation. If you have metal, you can definitely use this. Remember what this is called, Mrs. Snow? No. I didn't say can you have it. Hold on. Tell me what it is first. Come on, we're filming here. What is it? Yeah, it's a magnet. Very good. It's a magnet. Do you want to try, Mrs. Snail? So Mrs. Snail's going to filter some things out this way. Look at what she did. Do you see that she got a lot of the metal pieces out? Okay, that she's separating. Great job, Mrs. Snail. Great job. All right. Another way to separate, you can use like some kind of strainer. We have this as our strainer. So we are going to kind of strain some things out. Strain some of the smaller pieces. Okay, we're going to strain some of the smaller pieces. You can see some really, really small ones falling down. That's another, what's wrong? You wanted to do it. All right, here's this one. Go ahead, come on. No, take it. There, okay, go ahead. All right, Mrs. Snail, good job. All right, so that way you can strain some of the smaller pieces out. It works really good if you have something in a liquid too to strain it on out. So there are many ways that you can separate. The most important part to remember about a mixture is what? Do you remember? Yes. Sometimes a mixture can be yummy, like trail mix. A mixture is a combination of two or more substances that can be easily separated. So you can separate them in some way, and they maintain their same what? Properties. Did you remember that, like Mrs. Snail? Were you remembering that? Okay, boys and girls. What I'm challenging you to do is look around your house and find some examples of some mixtures. And I would like you to either take a picture of the mixture, describe it, or tell me it, or even find some pictures on the internet. I loved last week when some of you sent pictures from your house of a solid, a liquid, and a gas, and there were some people that were in the pictures, or it was just a picture of something from your house, and I could see you because I miss all of you. So if you can do that, that's great and wonderful. If not, write something, okay, or copy and paste from somewhere, like some of you did and had some great pictures. But find two mixtures that you can send me a picture of. That will be your assignment. And are we excited to see them? We are so excited to see wait, what's wrong? Well, you can find pictures too. Wait, you have this stuck on you, Mrs. Snail. Is that what you were mad at? What are you mad at? You want some trail mix? Okay. Now look what you made us do. Oh. So that mixture is a combination of two or more substances. Okay, so until next time, boys and girls, peace out.